Dear student, class 6, welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. Today, I'm going to discuss about chapter 6, Culture of Bangladesh. Since the dawn of civilization, man has satisfied his demand using nature and environment. You know it, a piece of stone or a branch of a tree becomes the tool to save him from the attack of ferocious animals. Hence, the ability to utilize nature has endowed man with culture which is still continuous. Man realized that the struggle for survival would be stronger if he lived in society. So, various rules were created in order to organize the society because society means lot of people they have one objectives and some rules and regulation. Gradually it turns into economics, politics, religion, education, etc. for the amusement, recreation and welfare of the people of the society. Man created dance, song, literature and many other things. Actually, man create these for their own enjoyment. Lesson 1, look, concept of culture. Culture, sociologist MacIver said, culture is what we are. Culture is actually the lifestyle of people, the way of people. Picture of human life is revealed through culture. All a man does and thinks to preserve his existence and to serve some purposes are his culture. For example, man eats food to live. Okay, when this food is cooked following various recipe and served with nice decoration, it becomes man's culture. When a man, I want to say another example of the culture, like someone live in a fisherman village because he is a fisherman, and he used to his culture. What is their culture? What is his culture? Like fishing boat, fishing instrument, their food habit, their dress up. These are his culture. When man learned to write, first he wrote carving on stone or on bark or leaves of trees underlined. When paper was invented, man began writing with feather, sinking in ink. Gradually, man invented paper and started writing on paper. After that, man invented typewriter and started writing with it. Finally, man invented computer. Now many people of the world write with. Many people, I cannot say that a lot of people and most of the people of the world depends on computer to write it, to write with it. The total of all these form of writing invented by man is a part of culture. Look, culture is of two types or two parts. One is concrete and other is abstract. If the house is a concrete culture, its plan will be an abstract culture. Uh, when we see the house outside of house, it's a building and it's a concrete culture. Its planning, its structure, structural design, this will be an abstract culture. This plan, not implementing plan, not showing the page or showing the graph, only thought, If a book is a concrete culture, the thoughts and ideas with which the writer wrote it will be an abstract culture. Computer hardware, it's a simple example. Computer hardware is a concrete culture and software for using computer is an abstract culture. Elements of Bangladeshi culture. We can see some elements of Bangladeshi culture with our eyes. Hold them with hand. Again, we can neither see nor touch many elements of culture of this country. For example, we can see the houses built by the people of Bangladesh, but we don't see the knowledge and skill of building them. It is invisible. For this consideration, the elements of Bangladeshi culture can also be divided into two kinds, such as concrete or visible elements, abstract or invisible elements. Concrete elements of the culture of this country are various kinds of houses. Furniture, dress, transport, food, everything, farming tools, books. Actually, visible, all touching or visible things are concrete culture. Abstract elements of our culture are collective knowledge, outlook and attitude, religious belief and sense of morality, language, alphabet, arts, literature, music, ideals and values, various branches of knowledge and science, etc. People of our country created the concrete elements of culture for their own necessity. These elements can last for hundreds of years. For example, when we visit the museum, we see many things which are 100 years old. Seeing those, we can form a concept about man and culture at that time. The concrete and abstract element of our culture is in no way isolated from each other. It is because we get the identity of abstract elements through the concrete elements. For instance, Nakshi Katha is a concrete elements of Bangladeshi culture. When flower, leaf, elephant, horse or any scenery is embroidered in it, then it becomes the manifestation of thought of women folk of this country. Change in one elements of Bangladeshi culture brings about changes in other elements. For example, shari is an element of culture in Bangladesh. Due to technological changes, there have been changes in color and design of shari. Change is noticed in the fashion of wearing shari as well. You can give example of concrete and abstract elements of culture. Look, as our land is fertile, from and features of Bangladeshi culture, so our culture is rich. People of various races who came here created cultural variety. We can say Bangladesh is a variety of cultural country because many district people comes from many districts and they have own culture. From the primitive period, fertile land of this country has encouraged people to be farmers. People's manner, music, dance, houses and every aspect of culture built up centering around the agro-based production management. Underline Rakhalia, Murshidi, Jarishari and all other songs were the tales of agriculture. In our day-to-day life, a good deal of soil is used. It can be understood seeing the things ranging from earthen pitcher to burnt clay blade, bamboo can would have been used in Bangladesh for long time. In day-to-day life, trees and water bodies have an important role in producing food and in doing work. Due to close attachment of rivers, many occupations such as boaterman, fisherman, boat making artisans, etc., have developed in our culture. The river-based songs like Bhatiyali, Shari, etc., spontaneously tell about the rivers and river dependent peoples. Who are the river dependent people? Boatman, fishermen, they are river dependent people. Beside farmers, weavers, boatmen, fishermen, there are many other occupations like blacksmith, porter, barber, and so on. Here the three language group have brought their language and culture. There are Austric and Dravid and Indo-European. Their influence is still visible in our culture. Regarding religious belief, there are many varieties in our country. Islam, Hindu, Buddhism, and other religions are observed here. Besides ancient Hindu religion, Buddhism in the Pala era, Islam, thought Sufi saints, and Christianity through the colonial rules thrived in this country. We have long tradition of living with nature culture from various races of people and inspiration from several religions. With all this, like population diversity, the Bangalis cherish cultural variety. One feature of the traditional Bengali culture is here nature is as rich as she is capricious of destroying and constructing. This was not possible to be ignored, still not possible. There is hostile behavior of nature like storm, floods, drought, flash flood. These uncertainties prevails. People of these countries have been attract and faithful to the Almighty. People of all religions adore this power from their respective belief. In this adoration, there is prayer to Allah or God, as there is the mention of the service of to mankind. The main symphony underline of the cultural diversity of Bengalis is called humanism. It means love for mankind, harmonious relations among the people. We find the reflection of this speech in the songs of Lalun, Rabindranath and Nazrul. In the Sultani era, poet Chandidas wrote, "Man is above of nothing is above it." Unknown folk poet wrote, "Cows are of multicolor, but the milk of the same color. All sons in the interworld come from mother." Our national poet Kazi Nazrul Islam also wrote, "Two flowers are in the same stream, Hindu, Muslim. Muslim is the apple of his eye, while the Hindu in his heart." So, student, thank you very much. This was your revised syllabus topics. Read it more. Thank you very much.